Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. This is my 97 Mustang. You might have just, if you're following, I just did rear spacers on the rear wheels. What I'm doing right now is I'm changing out the mirror. The mirror somehow got hit and it vibrates. You might be able to see this. See how it vibrates? Well, I was down to Wilbert's, and there was a 2000 down there, and I took it off of that. The driver's side, the passenger side was gone, but the driver's side was still here. So I snagged it off. So the procedure for this is, of course, you got to get your door panel off. This, you may find that you'll have two screws, one right here, one right here. And then what you got to do is you got to lift it up, pop it up, okay? Because it's grabbing down there on these. Don't pry out, you'll break them out, okay? So you've got these all the way across, and they're going to go into your holes there, okay? So make sure you don't go prying, all right? Front part now also has got these, and you got to lift them up, back out. All right, also, you have this pin right here, and that's going in the front. See the little hole right there? And then it's going to push in a little section in the front that holds this door in. Okay, these lock down when you shove it down. It's going to sit right in this guide right here. Now, to get the mirror off, you've got 3 number 11s. And then you've got a plug, because you got, this is controlled by this. Now this pushes down. Let's see. This is going to, it's going to push in here. You got to push in there. It's going to lock in there. And then you're going to have the back part is going to lock in there. So if you go to the back side, get them, then pry it up, and then pop it out. These in the front will be underneath there. I'll get it back in a little while. All right, so let me get this off of here. Get on. All right. Okay. Also, you got this little panel that, once it's back together, sits over this, which you probably already see. Like, well, how do I get in there? Okay, it's under this. Okay, so it's going to go up in there and press in there, and then it'll lock. So, all right, how to do this with one hand. Okay, here's the one going in. Here's a little bit of stuff on it. I don't know what all the jegs on it means, but it's nice and solid compared to mine. I'll probably just get some freaking glue gun, and they'll take that right off. Okay, put your cable back through the hole here. Get in there. Get our holes through there. Our bolts through there. And go ahead. Screw her down. Okay, I just noticed that I've only got 2 screws. And I guess the other one backed out and I didn't know it. So I guess we'll back one of these off and put it in that one. Okay, so there we are. We got our 3 screws in. Don't forget to plug it in. Let's go ahead and get this panel back on. Alright, so just looking down in there. Okay, make sure you got those, every one of them hooked in, including up here. And then get it level, get it in the upper slot, and you can shove it down. Alright, now with all those little hooks lined up now, up in the front, it's all gonna go together just like it should. Now you can take your little push pin, like I showed you. It's right here. And tap that in, and now that'll keep that secure. Right? Now, I think somebody actually put these in way back because somebody was in there messing around with them. I'm not sure. There's something here holding it, but you probably, if you can't shove up on that, then you probably got something else holding it. I just use a regular Philip. I'll keep it from popping up. That's what came out of here, so stuck. Yeah, as long as nothing wrong with that motor on that. Okay, I'm gonna shove this back in here. What locks that in? Okay, pushing that in. That should, this little piece should go right in here and lock the front down, I guess. Yeah, one hand, of course. All right, panel back in. Door's solid. Yeah, you'll have to play with that. You can't. You got to make sure that's through the thing here too. If it's going to be nice, and you need to make sure that your lock thing gets back onto here as well. All right. So last thing. Last thing. There's a little hook there. It's going just down, in back behind it. And you got the little push pin there. All right. That keeps it right in there. All right, now let's see if that's your right. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Okay. That's how all the way over. It selects this one. Up and down. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right, so thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe, and you'll catch me on the next Project Stang. And this is replacing the driver's side mirror on this 97 Mustang.